Hi everyone, example 20. The table below show the time in minutes for 4 workers. Complete 3 tasks. Use the Hungarian algorithm to find an allocation to minimize time. So you have 3 tasks but 4 workers over here. What happened? Is there any difference? Yes, I'm going to show you what's the difference over here. Okay, so without delay, first always change to a metric form. So 13, 14, 13, 15, 23, 21, 24, 25, 16, 18, 20, and 12. So this question, this is not a square metric. What is not the square metric? Previously, all your question is same number of column and same number of row. It means number of rows same as number of column. So right now, you have 3 column but 4 rows. So that means you cannot do Hungarian algorithms. So if not a square metric, what you're going to do here, you need to add one dummy. You need to add one dummy column. How are you going to add? So previously all the same, 13, 14, 13, 15, 23, 21, 24, 25, 16, 18, 20, 12. Add one more column which is all 0 only. Once you add, then you can continue for the row reduction and column reduction. Okay, so I write over here. So do you need to perform row reduction? So no row reduction. You no need to do any row reduction. Why? Because each row has a 0. So you no need to do a row reduction. So you continue with the column reduction. Okay, so for each of the column, you highlight which one is the lowest number, 13. Each of the column, 21, and this is 12. Then you do the column reductions. So this should be 0, 1, 0, 2. And this one, 2, 0, 3, 4. And the last one is right, the third one, 4, 6, 8, 0. And of course the last column is all 0, just write down all 0 only. So next, you need to check number of line is the same as number of row. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rows. So you have how many 0 over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 0. So how are you going to draw a line to cover all the 0? Always ask yourself, which column or row contain the most 0? Or perhaps maybe you like to highlight all the 0. This is all the 0. So which column or row you have the most 0? Of course the dummy column. So you draw one line, cover all this 0. Okay, let's ask yourself how many 0 you left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 0. Always ask yourself again, which column or row contain the most 0? Column 1, you can straight away cover 2 0. So I draw another line in column 1. Okay, next one. How many 0 you need to cover? 2 0. So how are you going to cover? Maybe I cover by vertical or horizontal also can. So I draw horizontal, and this one I draw vertical. So how many lines do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 line equals to 4 now rows. So yes, that means I can do my allocation already. So how to do my allocations? Okay, so I write down over here. To do my allocation, maybe I need to have the matrix and circle out which of the worker do which task. Okay, so maybe I start with which column or row contain only 1 0. Okay, so this column 2, this 0, column 3, this 0. That means I have two options over here. The first column can be choosing this one, or can be choosing the last one. And second one, the third row can choosing this one. So that means I have two solutions. So solution 2, and this is solution 1. So 0, 1, 0, 2, 2, 0, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8, 0, and 0, 0, 0, 0. So I can highlight for you, showing that, okay, try and error. This one I'm choosing this one, and this one I'm choosing this one. So you can write your solution here. Worker W going to choose the task A. Worker X going to choose the task B. Worker Y going to choose the task D. This is a dummy activity, so you just list out A, B, C, D lah. And worker Z going to choose the task task C. So all together, what is the time? So A 13 plus B 21 plus dummy is 0 plus C will be 12. So will be 46 minutes. And same for solution 2. You try to check worker W is doing the task dummy activity, worker X doing the task B, worker Y doing the task A, and worker Z do the task C. And you check the time, is it the same? So D dummy is 0, B is 21, and A is 13 plus Z is doing the task C 12. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, still 46 minutes. That means you're going to have two solutions over here. You just have to write one of the solution on it. So thank you for listening.